Hello and welcome back to my channel. It appears I have another steel to reel, so let's get started. So let's see what they sent us this month. Let's see, again I don't see a card, so we're going to start with what's here on top. So this appears to be a Lord and Field box. Oh, let's see what's inside. Okay. Oh, I think I know what this is. This appears, if this is something like I've seen in the past, this is going to be the Lord and Field. Yep. So this is going to be their fire starting kit. It's a really beefy ferrule rod and a scraper. It doesn't have a blade on it. It's just purely a nice steel. And then a little bit of some kind of like a cottony fabric. Aside. So that's the first item in the box. Second item is something that you guys have seen me get in other boxes. The Lucy Light EMRG 3-in-1 emergency lantern. And this one appears to have a US rechargeable via solar or USB-C. So this is the new version of the Lucy lamp. So this is the new version of the EMRG Lucy lamp 3-in-1 emergency lantern. It's got 5 light modes, is solar rechargeable, and this version comes with a USB-C option as well. These things are great. They pack down real small and are inflatable. You can read here that it's only 72 grams or 2.5 ounces. It's got an IP67 waterproof rating. I love these things. They're great to throw in your backpack and forget. They weigh next to nothing and they are great when you get to the camp. Next item in the box. Let's see, this is some kind of a light. It's rechargeable. Let's see. So you can see that. Carabiner, 7 light modes. It's got a tripod. It's got a glass breaking tool, a bottle opener, a hex wrench. So yeah, it's got apparently a bunch of different light modes. It's got a 500 milliamp battery, charged to 103 hours. Let's see. It's a tripod mount, gear clippable, 2 Phillips and 2 flatheads, 4 screwdriver bits, turbo mode. So I am going to have to get into this and tell you more about it. I will do a separate video on the Lysol. Oh, that's interesting. Never seen that product before. Oh, the next item here is the Arto inflatable pillow. I love me inflatable pillows. They have made backpacking in the backcountry super nice. So let's take a look at this one. I can get it open. You know, looks like a lot of the pillows I'm used to having. It's nice and compact. It's got a looks to be a click in and out style. Inflates up. So, standard inflatable pillow. That's cool. Next item we have is Hot Snot. Fire in a tube. I've heard of this stuff, don't know much about it. It is a big tube of clearly flammable liquid to use. It will not flare, it's handy to carry, it's clean burning. Place it in wood fires or charcoal and light. So again, another item I will do some field testing on and let you know how the Hot Snot works. And the last item appears to be the Phoenix Feather. We got one of these last month in another box, and it is the D2 steel. It's got the frame that's super light. Yeah, same one as we got last month. It's a nice Phoenix feather. So let's recap. We got the Phoenix Feather by Outdoor Element. We got the Arto inflatable pillow. I got a Lucy lamp, inflatable lantern, EMRG, updated model with the USB-C powered. I've got the Lightas All. I'm gonna guess, we're gonna call it Camp Light. I'll have to see how that works. We have the Lord and Field fire starting kit, as well as the Hot Snot fire in a tube. So this is the Survivor Pro, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. I'll put the price of the recurring charge at the bottom of this, as well as the total value of the items received, and you can make up your mind if this is something you'd like to consider subscribing to. Again, this was the Steel to Reel April Survivor Pro box. If you like this kind of content and you're interested in seeing more outdoor gear, please consider subscribing, hitting that notification button, and sharing with others. Until next time, I'll see you out on trail.